I wanted to take a minute and show you some video of Miss Betty. We had some hurdles we had to work through with her, but she's turning out good. This is going to be a really nice horse. This is a fun horse to work. Miss Betty is the paint horse that Robert just got on. As you see, he got on her. He's going to walk a few circles. She was very, very reactive to our legs. We started her a while back and really didn't have any buck or anything, but would just jump out from under us when we would bump with our legs or touch her with our legs. So we had to spend a lot of time working on that. And as you see Robert riding around on her, you're going to see his legs moving a good bit. We've been doing a lot of that, just getting her used to it. We haven't spent the time really softening and doing a lot of the lateral work that you see us doing with a lot of horses because of how she reacts to legs. And we've got that under control. And this horse has a really nice trot. You'll see Robert trot her in just a minute. And she's a good-minded horse and really fun to ride. Really nice trot, and you'll see us loping her a little bit too in just a minute. And this is going to be a good horse for somebody. The horse that Raven is on here, this is Mac and Cheese. She's getting him ready for a show. She'll be showing him in this weekend. And it's kind of like usual when we're working horses, we work them some by ourselves, and often there's another horse in the arena. It's really good for them. They get used to being worked alone. They get used to being worked other horses, around other horses. And usually we're doing with the other horse whatever that horse just happens to need. So it's pretty common that these young horses, they're going to have other horses loped past them and going the same direction, going the other direction, and it just gets them used to activity of other horses in the arena. It really helps get them broke in here. We take them all out pretty regular. Betty has been out back a lot. Actually got some video here in just a minute. You'll see of her loping in the big arena out front. Just get out and see the world, experience things by themselves and with some other horses. Robert was just trotting one direction, change directions, and I'm sure he'll trot the other direction here in just a minute. There, right there, you see him kind of bumping on with his legs. That's the kind of the issue we've had with her. She would kind of spook sideways. We bumped on her. We're trying to reach a point to where we don't really want her dull with our legs, but she was overreacting to our legs. So we have to kind of reach a happy medium there so that she's not dull and not doing anything, but also that she doesn't jump out from under you when you put legs on her either. Now you saw just a minute ago, Raven loped past Miss Betty at a pretty good speed, and Miss Betty just kind of kept doing her thing. There, I think Mac come around the corner and saw me standing there and spooked at me. I guess he didn't see me walk up, just thinks I just jumped out in front of him. There's a nice trot Miss Betty's doing there. Just nice and relaxed and doing great. She's doing good. I think Robert's going to get off over here and we're going to go out into the big arena and lope her a little bit and messing with her ears a little bit. In the beginning, she had some issues with her ears. She had some ticks in her ears when she came in, and she's kind of pulling her ears away from Robert there, but it's nowhere near like it was. We just keep rubbing on them and letting her figure out that it don't hurt anymore. That's really all that amounts to. Robert trotted her around, and she just kind of chilled right back down. This is a sensible horse. There, now Robert's out in the front arena loping her a little bit. We haven't loped her as much as a horse that's this long under saddle normally would be loped, but that was because of how reactive she was with her legs. to Robert's legs. We had to get that going first, but she's doing good. She has a really nice lope that she settles into. We need to work a little bit on lead.